Is your Kafka setup not performing like it should? Do you notice consumer lag building up fast? Are traffic spikes and sudden drops making you nervous? Is your throughput slipping with no clear reason? You're not the only one facing these issues. Kafka needs more than setup. It needs smart tuning. Start with smarter partitioning and load balancing. Then compress efficiently and batch your data wisely. Track lag in real time. Keep an eye on your brokers. And scale your system before issues escalate. Optimizing Kafka isn't guesswork. It's performance engineering. With Ksolves, make Kafka faster, leaner, and more reliable. From configuration tuning to real-time monitoring to full architecture audits. We help you scale Kafka the smart way. Fast, stable, fully optimized for growth. Talk to Ksolves and let your Kafka system thrive.